Hi everyone, merhaba, this is Ayşenur Altan. Welcome to Turkish food recipes. In this episode we are making Turkish egg kapama, which is a simple but powerful breakfast dish simply made with hard-boiled eggs. You will be amazed by the taste, how different and delicious it will become. So let's get started. Let's begin by hard boiling the eggs. One egg per person is okay, but I added one more. We are 3 people and it was finished in no time. My daughter said, why didn't you make 2 per person? I boiled the eggs for 10 minutes and then peel and cut them in half. I have my pan ready. It is better if you have a size that fits perfectly, not too small or too big, but that's okay. Just a small tip to get the sauce coat evenly. So I'm melting some butter, about 1.5 tablespoon, and I'm gonna use red pepper flakes, paprika and mint for my sauce. Before adding any spices, make sure your butter is has a nutty smell, little bit brown, and then add the spices. Just eyeballing, sprinkling each of them. If you like hot, you can use more or less of the hot red pepper flakes. And I cooked for 20-25 seconds more and added little bit of butter. And then placed the eggs. After adding them, to coat all of it, I turn it once and then turn it over again. You can use more butter for it, but this way it will be in your control because it soaks the butter. And after coating all of it, I melted some more butter and then sprinkle some spices again and pour over it. That's it really. It's very simple, but the taste is really high. You're not gonna believe how a plain hard-boiled egg can taste so differently with this method. So I hope you give it a try and like it. Let me know. I really enjoy seeing your photos, trying my recipes. You can share them from Turkish food recipes Instagram account or Facebook. Thanks for watching. I have many breakfast ideas you can make, simple ones on my channel. Check them too. I hope to see you in another delicious Turkish food recipes and vlogs. Afiyet olsun.